The NICC, yan. Yan, NICC. What is NICC? NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse, which cleanses the body through ions. Ayan. So, it cleanses the body through ions. Okay? Ayan. So, we are more likely to accumulate toxins. Diba? Ang toxins natin, it depends on our lifestyle and environment. Ito po sa environment. Yan. Factories. Smoking. And then, yung mga sasakyan, mga smoke belchers. Yan. Next. Yan, yung mga pagkain naman tayo. Yung mga pagkain po, laced with preservatives. Yung mga kinakain po natin ngayon, halos po, may mga preservatives na. Di ba? Kasi puro instant. Instant meal, instant noodles, instant coffee, instant juice. So, ito yung mga tapsilog, yung mga pang breakfast. Yan, sarap, no? Yung mga fast food, and then fatty food, fatty meals. Ayan, yung mga sisig, no? Ayan, coffee, acidic water, and soda. Tsaka yung mga kanina pinakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, kahit pala hindi pagkain, hindi sa environment, hindi iniinom, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng toxins sa stress, depression, and lack of sleep. Pag kulang tayo sa tulog po, nagpo-produce din po tayo ng mga toxins sa katawan. Meron pong 4 na systems yung katawan where we can eliminate the toxins from our body. Ano yon? Urination. Di ba pag nag-ihi ka, toxins na yon? So pangalawa, ano pong pwede? Pawis. So pag nagpapawis tayo po, nagre-release din po tayo ng toxins through the pores of our skin. Okay, ano pa? So yung stool, pag dumi. So ano pa? Meron pa pang-4, paghinga. Alam nyo, there's a good news. There's an additional way on how we can eliminate toxins from the body. It is an elegant and a modern detoxification device. Ayan. Innovation sparked from 2 Nobel Prize-winning concepts. Aids the body in cleansing itself, thereby easing the load on our immune system and helping the body maintain good health. Ito po yung dalawang scientists who discovered the 2 channels sa paa. The ion channels and the water channels. Yan. Ito po yung tinatarget din niya yung immune system natin. Kaya kung minsan after the detox, we feel better. No? So, bakit paa? Bakit hindi kamay? Bakit hindi tuhod?
2,000, okay.
And each foot has 2,000 capillaries and over 7,000 nerve endings. Kaya nga yung paa natin, napaka-sensitive po niyan. Pag po mag-alis kayo ng tsinelas, buhangin lang po, mafe-feel nyo sa paa nyo. Because it is very rich in nerves. And the nerve endings po ng paa, they are all connected to the different parts of the body. So ito po yung session, no? So from a clear water, after 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 minutes. Ayan. So, how often do you use this? So, depende sa age. So, adult under 50 years old, every other day. Children, 6 years old, up, every 3 days. So, it's a 14 session. After completing the 14 sessions, it's every 2 weeks na lang po. So, these are the possible colors na makikita nyo sa basin. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, yellow to green, bladder, kidney, urinary tract, prostate. And then, yung joints, orange. Yan, marami tayo yan, orange. Pag po, halimbawa, brown, it's liver. Ayan, yung mga nag-smoke. No? And then, cellular debris. Tapos, pag black, it's liver. Pag dark green, it's the gallbladder. Lymphatic system, white foam. Digestive system, she's like particles. Heavy metals, black flecks, and then red flecks for the blood clot material. So, these are the benefits of a NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse. Liver detoxification, detoxification of heavy metals, stress reduction, energy increase, ayan, sexual health improvement, pain relief. Most common, pain relief. Oh. Ito, mabilis ang relief nito. Memory and sleep improvement, parasite purging, immune system strengthening, skin rejuvenation, fat reduction, joint strengthening, blood sugar reduction. So, these are the benefits of a NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung isang analysis, blood analysis. Ito po yung before. Yung blood mo before the session, and then after the session, anong difference? Yung una, hindi mo ma-differentiate, no? Kung ano yan? Parang painting, so. Pagdating dito, nag-free flowing sila. Yung unit po natin, ito lang po yung mayroong safety features. Yan. So, meron tayong auto-alarm system in case of wrong usage. Pag wrong po yung usage natin, mag-stop. So, hindi ka makukuryente. Ayan, anti-burn system in case of exceptionally high voltage, and anti-electromagnetism system to prevent electrocution. Ayan. And the only brand na mayroon pong European certificate. Ayan. Ito po kasi yung mga ibang brand sa labas. Ayun po itsura nung sa iba. Kung nakakita na kayo, ha? Yung pong ating detoxification, there are no complications, but there are contraindications. Magkaiba yon. Walang complication pag gumamit ka, but there are contraindications. Ibig sabihin, hindi po lahat pwedeng mag-detox. Sino ang hindi pwede? Unang-una, sino? Yung may metal implant sa loob ng katawan. Number 2, nag-undergo ng radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Pero yung pong chemotherapy and radiation therapy, pwede silang mag-detox 6 months after the last dose. Okay, ano pa? Sino hindi pwede? With open wounds. Next, pregnant, under medication. Ito po yung mga under medication like mga epileptic. Of course, yung lactating mother, and yung may pacemaker or yung na bypass. Tsaka po yung organ transplant, hindi pwede. And of course, below 6 years old. Okay?